Hi there! We're back with another Vive education video about VIVERSE. This time, we'll show you how to get your free world so you can join the growing VIVERSE community. We'll also show you how to personalize your world with NFTs, 3D objects, or even just a photo of your pet cat. Let's get started.
In your computer's web browser, go to the VIVERSE website and then click Explore. Sign in to VIVERSE. Click your avatar in the upper right corner of the screen and select My Worlds. Under Worlds, you'll see the free starter world. Click it and then click Use Voucher. Choose one of the available free worlds. Enter a name for your world and choose a thumbnail to represent it in VIVERSE. Then configure your world's privacy and audio settings. Now that you have your own world, you can start decorating it. Switch to World Owner by clicking Switch. Click Add to choose the digital assets you want to showcase in your world. In the 3D Model tab, go through the categories or search for a 3D model to add to your world. Add your NFTs by selecting them from the My Collection tab. To add something from your computer, go to the Upload tab. Then, click Select File to browse your computer for the item you want to add. You can add images, videos, audio files, 3D objects, and PDFs. After adding objects to your world, you can edit them. To resize or rotate an object, first click it. Drag the scale slider to resize the object. Turn on Advanced Controls to reposition and rotate the object. If an object is flat, like a photo or video, you can frame it. Click the object, select Full Frame, and then choose a color for the frame. To hang a photo or video flush against a flat wall, first drag it close to the wall. When the blue arrow icon turns into a blue lightning icon and a faint shadow on the wall appears, release the mouse button to hang the photo or video on the wall. When you're finished decorating your world, invite your friends over to hang out and show them your digital collection. First, take a selfie in your newly decorated world. Then share the photo and a link to your world on Facebook or Twitter. And that's it. You're now part of the VIVERSE community. Be sure to watch our other video, Things You Can Do With Your World in VIVERSE, for more helpful tips.
Hi again, thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in learning more about VIVERSE or Vive products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. I'll see you next time.